Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use auto caption in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC, import the video by going over here, and after that just click on add to track. Okay, now go over here on captions, on top, select your language. After that, just click on generate. You can also check this box, identify filler words. Now click on generate. Now the caption is added to the video. Just click on the caption, click over here. You can select templates from here, like this. Just click on basic, and from here you can increase font size. Make sure you have selected apply to all if you want the templates or effects to be applied on the whole captions. Okay, you can also choose color from here, preset style. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add caption in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.